Good morning, and come on into the kitchen. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope everyone is having a great day. I have the house to myself this morning, and even though Mondays are a big cleaning day for me, I want to make a simple box cake mix chocolate cake. Now, I try to always keep a couple of box cake mixes in the pantry for when you need to whip something up fast. I guess because it's Valentine's Day, I want a chocolate cake with chocolate frosting. And I also want to taste a bit of coffee in the icing. Chocolate and coffee go so well together. So let's get started. You can see I had a hard time keeping the shells out of my eggs today. I'm going to begin with 2 boxes of Devil's Food cake mixes. Pour those into your mixer. I'm using my stand mixer, but this batter is so thin you can easily use a hand mixer. To that, I'm going to add 2.5 cups water, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 6 eggs. My hens just laid these this morning. Now you'll want to mix all of this well. I would start slow because there's a lot of liquid in this batter. This is also more mix than I'm going to need for the cake, but I may make my granddaughter some little Valentine heart-shaped cakes with the extra, or maybe I'll make a cupcake, who knows. Once your batter is all mixed together, you're ready to put it in the baking pans. Now, I sprayed mine with Baker's Joy, which is an equivalent to greasing and flouring, but for a little added measure, I put parchment disc in the bottom. Make sure there's no dry batter showing. Then pour your mix into your pans. I used 3 pans. I started out, I was going to make little thin layers, and then before I finished, I changed my mind and went ahead and made full-sized layers. You want to get an equal amount of batter in each pan. I knew that if I made a bunch of little thin layers, it would take me a lot more time, and like I said earlier, Monday is my cleaning day. Now once you have your air bubbles out, you're ready to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven. You'll want to let them bake until they spring back when touched, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Should be around 30 minutes. Once you remove them from the oven, let them cool completely. Meanwhile, let's mix up some frosting. I started with a stick and a half of butter, which is what? 3/4 cups. I added 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Once I get those whipped together, I add 2 cups of powdered sugar, four tablespoons of cocoa, half teaspoon of salt, I think I wound up using 3 tablespoons of strong brewed coffee. I could have used more, but I didn't want my frosting to get too thin. Now, let's frost this cake. I'm not by any stretch of the imagination a cake decorator, so this is just a simple frost, nothing fancy. I did take the time to level the tops of the layers a bit. Maybe this will keep the layers from sliding. At the last minute, I decided to toast a few pecans for the top of the cake. I think that'll make it a little bit special. And there it is, a simple box cake mix with a tasty chocolate coffee frosting to make it a little bit special, some toasted pecans. It doesn't take a lot of effort to let others know that you love them, and I think this cake will do just that. You will notice I did not cut it and taste it. That is because I'm giving it away. I did have enough layer trim pieces, frosting, and toasted pecans to mix them together and give it a taste. It was divine. I hope y'all have a very happy Valentine's Day and you take care of the ones you love. I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.